Hey guys, it's Ellie. Just sharing a quick little Costco haul. Got a lot of basics, eggs, fruit, milk, oil. Those raspberry cakes are so freaking good. Also got some steak, ground beef, and this freaking yakisoba platter right here. Oh my god. It is so good. If you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner, I highly recommend that. Here's my dirty ass fridge. This is so embarrassing, but whatever. It does not look like that now. It is all nice and organized and clean. I honestly don't remember the last time I cleaned my fridge out this well, but what matters now is that it's done. Thank you guys for watching.